Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we will discuss on a Mediclaim plan named Youngstar Health Policy by Star Health Insurance. This video will be beneficial for those who are aged between 18 to 40 years. If you are above 40, then you can check out my other videos like FHO plan and comprehensive plan. Links are in the description. Before we begin with this video, I will suggest you to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for the latest information and updates regarding life insurance, health insurance and mutual funds. Let's begin with this video. Eligibility. Eligibility for adult is 18 to 40 years and dependent child is 0 to 25 years. Yes friends, this plan covers both individual as well as family. Sum insured options for individual, it is starting from 3 lakhs to 1 crore. For family, 5 lakhs to 1 crore. Plan type, individual and family floater, both plans are available. Plan options, silver plan and gold plan are available. We will discuss it later on. What is the difference between silver plan and gold plan? We will discuss later on. Why Youngstar first of all? Why should I buy this plan? These are the key feature I have mentioned here. Every year 20% NCB you will get. What is NCB? No claim bonus. Every year 20% no claim bonus. Maximum 100% you will get. Every year means every claim free year you will get this benefit. First of all, if you know NCB is given minimum 25% for first year, then they will reduce the percentage to 10% every year. But in this plan, flat 20% every claim free year you will get, means around 5 years of span your sum assured will be double if there is no claim. So this is advantage if you will opt for Youngstar plan. Waiting period, second best advantage of this plan is waiting period. In other plans there are minimum 24 months waiting period for pre-existing disease or specific disease. In some plans there are 48 months waiting period for pre-existing disease, but in this plan you will get just 12-month waiting period for both pre-existing disease as well as specific disease. If you don't know what is pre-existing disease and what are waiting periods and exclusions in Mediclaim, you can watch my video what is not covered in Mediclaim. Links are in the description and I button also. 30 days waiting is for general illness, but for specific, if you are planning to buy this Mediclaim for COVID-19, then 15 days will be waiting period for the same, because after 1st July the waiting period for COVID-19 is reduced to 15 days. Before, earlier it was 30 days. 100% restoration benefit is given in this plan. Now you will say that every plan are giving the restoration benefit, but friends, have you checked the other clauses of the plan? In this plan you will get the restoration benefit for the same illness. Yes friends, there are no condition that you will get for unrelated disease only. You will get for same illness on full or partial exhaustion of sum assured. So the condition is very simple. You if your sum assured is exhausted, full or partial, it is not necessary that your sum assured should exhaust fully. On partial exhaustion also you will get the 100% restoration benefit. 10% discount after 40 if your age is under 36. Another good advantage for this plan, if your age is under 36 and you are buying this plan, then after if you renew this plan after 40 age, you will get 10% discount on your premium directly from the company. So this is another big advantage. So these were the 4 big reasons to buy Youngstar plan. Now we will discuss main features of this plan. Room rent, single standard AC room is allowed directly. ICU is at actual price. There is no sublimit in this 2 case. Health checkup expenses every year irrespective of claim. Yes friends, irrespective of claims, you will get 2000 health checkup expenses every year it is for 5 lakh sum assured. If you opt for more, then this benefit will increase. Pre-acceptance medical screening is not required in this plan. Pre and post hospitalization maximum is given to you 60 days and 90 days. Daycare procedures are all covered in this plan. There are no restrictions for daycare procedures. Newborn baby cover inclusion allowed from 90 days from the date of birth. Now we will discuss benefits which are only available in gold plan. These benefits were applicable for both silver plan and gold plan, but these two benefits are only available in gold plan. Maternity benefit with waiting period of 36 months, 30,000 flat will be given. Again, one clarification for this 30,000 amount. This will not included in your sum assured. It is over and above 30,000. They will give it to you. Another thing, hospital cash benefit is allowed 1,000 per day for 14 days maximum. These two benefit you will only get if you opt for gold plan. In silver plan, all other benefits are applicable. Now we will see another general benefits, you can say, or special benefit regarding Young Star policy. What additional you get? Wellness program benefit you will get. A wellness program of Star Health, discount on renewal, 2 to 10% discount you will get if you maintain your health. After purchase of policy, I will assist you regarding that. You have to download the Star Health app, then you have to register your policy and you have to track your wellness program. You have to maintain your health like walking. Another many counts are there. If you are meeting the criteria of that count, then you can get minimum 2% to maximum 10% discount on renewal. Installment benefit is available. If you are credit card, then EMI option is available. Monthly, quarterly, half yearly also you can pay for this plan. E-medical opinion is available with Star Health panel doctors. This is the additional benefit you will get. Now, what are the exclusions in first 12 months? We will discuss this also in detail in this video. Specific disease of ENT and thyroid, all types of hydrocele hernia, varicocele, piles, fistula and fissure in ano, disease related to female reproduction system, calculus disease of gallbladder, kidney and urinary tract. This means kidney stone is not covered in first 12 months. These are the 4 diseases, or you can say types of disease which are not covered in first 12 months, and another is a pre-existing disease. These two criteria is there for first 12 months. These two are excluded. Now we will directly move to premium calculation and example. I have discussed many examples here. Criteria is this side is for silver plan and this is for gold plan. Criteria is same in both case. Under 30 age, sum assured 10 lakhs. Individual plan, if you opt for, then premium will be 7133. For individual plan in gold variant, premium will be 8390 yearly. 2 adults, if you opt for, then premium will be 11470 yearly in silver plan, and likewise you can see the premium details here. You can also take the screenshot of the same if you want. So these were the detailed explanation regarding Young Star plan. If you have any query regarding the same or you want to purchase this plan, you can contact me. Links, my number is in description. I have mentioned in the description. You can definitely contact me for the purchase. Purchase process is very simple. You can your policy will be generated within 1 day after your premium payment. So friends, this was the video regarding Young Star policy. If you like this video, then please share among your friends and family. Also, you can follow my Telegram page for latest updates of the plans. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks a lot.